Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel and today we're going to make Play-Doh. You're going to need Kool-Aid mix or food coloring, but I would pick the Kool-Aid mix because it's way cooler and it works way cooler. I just hit that pan. And you'll need salt, water, and then you're going to need flour, all-purpose flour, and then you're going to need the vegetable oil. You're going to need a cup of water. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You're going to need this little food coloring, 7 or 8 drops, but I don't need it because I'm just gonna be using this. So keep that out there. Also, I'm gonna pour the water in. There. Now we're gonna need this for our vegetable oil, but I have to be very careful, not crazy, because I am crazy, but okay. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it in here. I got some on my shirt. 1 teaspoon of this for my Kool-Aid mix. So let's do that. My Kool-Aid mix looks cool. It smells weird though, but I'm gonna put it in. Okay, now we're gonna put it in here. I almost put it in the wrong bowl, so now put that back in there. Now we're gonna need 2 cups of flour, which is really weird. And we're gonna need 1 cup of salt. So, well, I don't need this. And I'm gonna put it right here. Now I'm gonna put my flour. This flour. I wish there was real flowers in here so I could plant them on my dog, so my dog would be a flower dog. I'm fancy. Okay, let's put them in there. I need way more flour. Okay, we got all our flour. Now we're going to need 1 cup of this salt. I can't figure out how to open this right here. Really, little girl, this little girl right here finally let me open it. So let's put it in. Look at rust. Gone. Don't need that. So I'm gonna stir this first until it's all mixed up. And then mix, 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 mix. So now we're gonna pour in the water, the little jiggly fat water. Now we're gonna mix it. So our last video we had 48 likes. Our well today I think that like 50 likes was a little bit too hard because we don't have that much people in our family yet in the squad. So we're gonna only do like 30 likes for this video. Now we're gonna start kneading. This is called kneading. You mix it up with your hands. Put that right there. So Mix it up with your hands. Like mix it all up. We're gonna put some food coloring in because the Kool-Aid didn't, the Kool-Aid, the orange Nanja didn't work, so we're gonna use some food coloring, some food coloring stuff. So it was just a little bit soft, so I mixed it a little bit longer, and now it's hard like Play-Doh, so that's good. Now we're gonna add 6 or 7 drops of food coloring in because the color is not showing. Like literally, you can only see like only like little orange dots. So we're gonna put food coloring in. This is the old food coloring from the last one. Ew, it looks like blood. This is gonna be the gross part, so I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Looks like meat from the store. I got the Play-Doh mixed in. It kind of looks like Play-Doh. It feels like Play-Doh. It's a little bit heavy, just a little bit. And I'm gonna just lick it. I'm not gonna like eat it because that's bad for my stomach. I'm gonna lick it, but I'm not gonna swallow it. I'm gonna spit it out, so. But I'm not gonna eat it. I'm just gonna lick it. Yeah, that's salty. Yeah, that's really salty. It's just not like the real red. It's like pink a little bit. It looks pink in the light. It looks pink. But like when you put it down at the ground, it looks like a red. It probably looks like pink because we put the Kool-Aid mix in. So I'm gonna play with the Play-Doh now. I'm gonna make some stencils. So flatten it out, and I'm gonna put it in. It actually looks like a real starfish. Wow. And I'm gonna take off. It's a star. It's a star. So I know we're in quarantine right now and school shut down. It's kind of sad. I'm sad that school shut down. But we gotta stay safe. Stay away from your friends because you could get sick. You have to stay away from people, even if they're family. And always make sure to cover your cough, cover your sneeze. Just make sure you get all those germs away as you can to keep your family safe, to keep all the other people safe. And wash your hands. You should at least put like 2 pumps of soap in your hands, and then you should wash for 20 seconds. And don't touch your face. If you have a little baby brother or like a baby sister, keep an eye on them. I made a little gingerbread man. I'm gonna end the video after a long time of making this Play-Doh. I'm super messy, so I'm gonna have to wash my hands. And I'm washing my hands for safety. So, shout out to Leanne and Dylan Blackhold for commenting on our last video. Make sure to click that comment button, type in something, I'll respond. I'll even put my own comment in there to respond to any of you. Goodbye. Thank you.